Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok account. So go for your TikTok app, okay, then go for this profile icon here. Okay, then you can see I have the four options here. I can create a TikTok account with email or Facebook account or Google or Twitter. So I'm just go for use of email, then go for email here, type your email. Okay, yeah, then go for next. So now you have to enter your or add your password. You have to create your password. So I'm just create my okay. Okay, now go for next. Now you have to add your birth date here. So okay, select your birth there and go for next. Okay, now you have to add your nickname here. So I'll just okay, I'm already done with this. Then go for confirm. uh don't allow, and yeah, you can see my account has been created. So guys, this is how you can create TikTok account. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.